I was asked to do a video about how to turn your vocore into a wireless Ethernet plug. And what I did is I connected the Ethernet of a factory resetted vocore into my laptop, and now I'm going into the LuCL interface. I am calling the IP address of the vocore, which is 192.168.61.1. Username is root, password is vocore. And I go to network and Wi-Fi, and I can do a Wi-Fi scan. And I can join a network. I enter the passphrase. As you see, the vocore has now internet access, so I can ping an address. But on my Ethernet that is also connected to the vocore, there is no internet, because we have to bridge over the networks now. And this has happened now. Okay, these are the two interfaces that are now on. LAN, which has the static IP address for your Ethernet, so you can connect clients via DHCP. And WWAN, which is my Wi-Fi, and they are both connected when you see in the network firewall. So LAN and WAN are, LAN is forwarded to WAN, input, output and forward. And you can see I can connect to this web page. And what you can do now is that you put this vocore into the wall, and you have an Ethernet plug where you can put in your computer, and the vocore is connecting via Wi-Fi to the internet.